Hello and welcome back to my channel. And I have my study leave for about 3 consecutive days, and I'm taking it as a soul connection trip for me because, to be very honest, this 3 months have been very harsh on me and everyone who's doing this training. It's not an easy job. I repeat, it's not an easy job. It's not glamour and glitters that we see each and every day. And I will talk about it once I get that, sanity, that peace of mind. I will really get back to you then, and we'll have a chit chat on that. But for starters, I don't know if that's a good news for you or if it's just a good news for me, but you and I are coming along for a trip, and the details you'll shortly know. I won't reveal it, but we have a 50-50 thing if we are going to make it or not, because my train is today evening and I have classes as well. I have to leave by 11, plus I have to return back as well, and then I have to pack my stuff and see if I'll be able to leave for my train or not. I had the SLT benefit, but I didn't take it because you never know if SLTs will work this very last minute or not. So I wanted to make sure. So there's a 50% assurance that I am going, but you know,
I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here.
hi everyone. I have finally reached Dehradun via train. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and it's so cold. Delhi ki thand is different than this thand. All this while I thought ki it's very cold there, but oh my god. The moment I step here, it's cold and shivering. But yes, the plan is finally successful. Guys, so I have finally reached my location, the hotel that I'm staying in, which is Hostel, and oh my god, the view is breathtaking. And please ignore my lips, they are chapped, I know. It's just the cold, and it feels like I literally needed this trip. Oh my god, look at you, beauty. Hi everyone. So अभी तो I have checked in this hotel. It is named as Zostel, and it was I pre-checked everything. Their hotel view was damn pretty, and I was convinced enough to book it in one go, and so I did. But the only problem is I have reached earlier than expected, and the check-in time is 11 a.m. and it's around 7:45 in the morning. So I have to wait, but I could say the wait is worth it because just look at this view. and I'll be having the same pretty view for my room as well. Well, this is my room, and I know I have a thing for rooms, and unfortunately, I did not get one this time. I was manifesting so damn hard on it, but since it was a, um, you know, like I pre-checked it, everything I did, but then I came today and they said it's not possible because it's a full house and people are gathering, so that's why. काफ़ी ठंड भी है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड भी है इस रूम में, प्लस काफ़ी छोटी रूम है, बट आई थिंक स्पेशियस इनफ लाइक फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी. But I swear, the one with balcony was so pretty. But Zostel, I have to rate you. I have to rate you something very ganda because of this. I don't know if you'll be able to guess this place or not, but this is that famous Char Dukan that we have heard in many of our YouTube videos. So I finally got a seat for myself, and this feels like a dream to me for some reason because it's so pretty, so pretty. And yes, it's crowded. It's really crowded, but then you have to wait for your turn to come, and I got my turn, and I am ordering pancakes, Maggie for me, and I'll show you once. For starters, I got myself cheese Maggie, and I don't know how it will taste. So for starters, we have vegetable cheese Maggie, and let me taste and tell you how it is. Maggie एक हाइट पे खाने के बाद taste really good, and we all know that. But I'm not a cheese lover, so if you're not a cheese lover, do not add cheese to your Maggie. Just let it be that plain vegetable Maggie, which it is destined to be. This is Nutella pancake, and I'll have a bite and let you know if it's worth the hype or not. So I'm having this delicious pancake. It's crunchy,
एक वापस शुरू कर दे बेटे तुरंत
soft,
ये घर वाला वापस
and it goes right
हाँ ये न्यूट्रेला वापस लिख हाँ के ना पहले बताओ जी भैया
sorry, bigger pancakes. But this is really good.
अब ये फ्लेवर
Loved it.
ठीक है और नीचे 5x10 ठीक है
Momos. brunch is done. I went to Cha Dukaan and I had Nutella pancake and with banana and what was it? Vegetable cheese Maggie. I didn't like the cheese wala thing, but the Maggie was really delicious. So if you're not a cheese lover, do not add cheese to your Maggie. Please, it's a request. Other than that, I thought of, walking a bit far from that place, from Cha Dukaan, and I have reached Kellogg. So I've reached here and oh my god, इतनी सुंदर है कि मैं क्या बोलूँ एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा शांति है as you can see behind me इतनी ज़्यादा शांत है ये जगह और वो कीर्तन बज रहा है बट अदर देन दैट ये काफ़ी शांत है आई कैन जस्ट गेस और धूप भी ऐसी है कि चुभ नहीं रही है मुझको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लग रही है एज यू कैन सी मैंने 3-4 लेयरिंग कर रखी है बाय द वे लेट्स जस्ट शो यू हाउ दिस the Landor Bakehouse, the most awaited thing in my bucket list, Landor bucket list. There's Doma's as well, and then there's one more, which is the Lal Tibba, and it's the perfect time to be at Lal Tibba, but I can wait, I think, and then you and I will together see the sunset. So here's Landor Bakehouse, and I think the waiting line. I don't have to say. I think you can see the waiting line is huge. There's people inside, and then there's people outside. They all are waiting for their turn, and so am I. I was running out of time, so I thought it's not a good idea to be here. Instead, I would rather take away and then I leave for Lal Tibba. Okay, the dogs here are so pretty. They are gorgeous. All mountain furry babies. There's one over there as well. I don't know how did they climb. Okay, it's not visible. Never mind. So I want to taste how the speciality and how does it taste. Is the hype real or not? And then we'll get back to you. So I got this hot chocolate, which is not hot at all, and secondly it really tastes like homemade hot, not hot chocolate, but you know what? It totally tastes like that, we used to have Horlicks, chocolate Horlicks. It really tastes like that. So it's not 101 recommended. However, the cafe was cutesy because it's in the middle of nowhere, and 250 bucks gaye pani mein. It's not that cool, but fine. Worth the hype? No. Would I recommend you it at all? Maybe just for the ambience, but you rather not pay for it, okay? Also, the carrot cake was not. It was all just the hype. I feel it's similar to what we get to have normal bakery house mein. Similar. So yeah, enjoy the view. Well, I need to say that coming Mussoorie was the best decision that I have made for myself, because to be really honest, being a crew and doing the training of a crew is not at all an easy job. Doesn't mean that any job is easy. No, it's not. But people think what's a crew job is. It's very random. It's very easy to do thing. But I would ask you to, if you think it's that easy, why don't you try yourself? These 2.5 months have been very hard on myself. I have been very hard on myself. And the pressure was really kicking in. The pressure was building and I could not take it, and most of the time I used to cry. I'm not trying to make you I'm not warning you even. I'm not sugarcoating anything. It's just the truth. It's just the reality of aviation. So in any sector of aviation, you have to deal with it. And the cabin crew part, when you have to do your trainings in several different aircraft, and when you know that you have to think of others, your customers, your passengers, all those people who are going to board your aircraft, they are your people once they board your aircraft, and you have to take care of them. So that 200 lives, that 180 lives, all those are then in our hands, the 4 crew who's operating that day, including the pilot and the ground staff. So it's not at all an easy job, and really it was getting hard for me, harder and harder each and every day. And I kind of needed that vacation, that leave for myself, which I think I did by taking these 2-day leave just for myself. I thought of going back home, but then nothing gives me more peace than nature, traveling. And yes, nature heals you. It does. The moment I have entered Mussoorie, I feel very light, to be honest. And I know I have to go back. I have to do my emergency modules. I have to abide by all those things. But I'm not running from it. I'm just taking my time so that I can kick back stronger. And even if I won't be able to, I am well prepared about it. And we'll see what happens next, because everything happens for a reason. So it's not that you are not enough for something. It's just that you're capable of everything. It's not just the right time for you. Hi, so finally we have reached the end of our Landor tour. I know it hurts, right? When you plan so much and then when the day comes, it goes like in a fraction of seconds. Honestly, it really happened to me. But the good part is, I got to witness so many things, and the view was mesmerizing. More than that, I felt very calm. But this, this right now, which I'm going to show you, that's near Lal Tibba, and this is the sunset point. And as you can see, how pretty my face is looking right now because of the sunset that's coming right directly towards me. छोड़ो, बोलने से नहीं होगा. Let's just show you. Here's the view. Very pretty. And it's the sunset time. So just कुछ देर के बाद the sunset will be, and I'm waiting here for the sunset to happen. And it's so serene here, it's so peaceful here. You cannot listen, I cannot hear any sound other than dogs barking or the birds chirping. It's so peaceful here.
Saw your silhouette